Morning. Tonight we're going to draw Beelzebufo. After I found out about this dinosaur, revealed on... After watching Dinosaurs The Untold Story, I was amazed to find out that back in the ancient times, there lived amphibians that evolved into frogs. And that prehistoric animal was none other than Beelzebufo. This creature preyed on smaller dinosaurs and, of course, smaller reptiles. Codenamed as, well, not say, but these guys travel in groups. And, well, they are these big guys, well, they're one of my favorites. I can't believe it took me 2 minutes to draw this guy. Anyway, I feel like these guys evolved from actual tadpoles. Alexa, what is Beelzebufo?
Beelzebub or Beelzebul is a name derived from a Philistine god, formerly worshipped in Ekron, and later adopted by some Abrahamic religions as a major demon. The name Beelzebub is associated with the Canaanite god Baal. In theological sources, predominantly Christian, Beelzebub is another name for Satan.
Right.
He is known in demonology as one of the 7 princes of hell.
Alexa, what is a tadpole?
A tadpole is the larval stage in the biological life cycle of an amphibian. Most tadpoles are fully aquatic, though some species of amphibians have tadpoles that are terrestrial. Tadpoles have some fish-like features that may not be found in adult amphibians, such as a lateral line.
Sometimes they call this guy Devil Frog. Don't even know why, though. Anyway, that's all for now. That's how you draw a Beelzebufo. Don't underestimate the power of a frog.